I'm Anil Kumar. Here is an extension to the question which we have done in one of the videos. It is relating Pascal's triangle and binomial coefficients. The question here is, find the number of sides of a polygon with maximum of 44 diagonals. Now in one of the videos we have found how many diagonals are there in n-sided figure, right? So we derived a formula, that is to say that the number of diagonals, maximum number of diagonals in n-sided polygon is given by n minus 3 c1 plus n minus 2 c2, right? We found it using the Pascal's triangle, right? I'll provide you with a link on the same. Now we'll use this formula to actually find the solution of this particular question. In case you are not aware of this result, please follow the link. Okay, so let's read the question once again. It says, find the number of sides of a polygon with maximum of 44 diagonals. So we have to find n, and we are given the number of diagonals, which are 44. So 44, the maximum number of diagonals, could be written as equal to n minus 3 c1 plus n minus 2 c2, where, as you know, the binomial coefficient NCR is equals to n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r factorial, right? So we'll use this formula and then find the value of n. So we have 44 equals to n minus 3 factorial divided by 1 factorial times n minus 3 minus 1 factorial plus n minus 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial times n minus 2 minus 2 factorial, correct? So we have 44 equals 2. Now we can write n minus 3 factorial as n minus 3 times n minus 2 factorial, correct? Divided by 1 factorial is 1. So we'll write this as n minus 2 factorial plus n minus 2 factorial could be written as n minus 2 times n minus 3 times n minus 4 factorial, right? That is n minus 4, right? 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Let me write this as 2 n minus 4 factorial. Let us simplify this. These terms cancel. So we are left with 44 equals to n minus 3 plus n minus 2 times n minus 3 divided by 2. Let's multiply by 2 all these terms. 44 times 2 is 88. So we get 88 equals to 2 times n minus 3 plus n minus 2 times n minus 3, right? Now to simplify, we can take n minus 3 common. So we have 88 equals to, we are taking n minus 3 common, right? That is a common factor. You're left with 2 plus n minus 2, right? So that gives us a quadratic equation to solve. So let me write it on the right side. So we have 88 equals to n minus 3 times 2 plus n minus 2 is n, right? So we have 88 equals to n square minus 3n. Bringing all the terms together, we have n square minus 3n minus 88. Now this can be factored. We are looking for a product of 88, sum of minus 3. So n minus 11 times 8, right? So n minus 11 times n plus 8. So that gives us n equals to 11 and n equals to minus 8. So this is not valid. The number of sides are always non-negative integers, right? So n equals to 11 is our answer. So that now we can write down the answer as that the number of sides of the polygon n is 11, right? So that is how you can find the number of sides of a polygon if you know maximum number of diagonals, right? So remember, this is the formula which we derived in one of the videos. Link for the same is being provided to you, right? So go through that link to understand how we derived the formula, and then you can come back to these calculations to find the number of sides from given maximum number of diagonals. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.